Follow these steps to use the text-to-speech and screen color invert feature on USI touchscreen enabled Evoke series glass front snack machines. Open your machine and plug in your 3.5mm jack headphones or speakers here. If necessary, plug in your USB powered speakers here. Then place the machine in service mode by pressing this button. Once in service mode, select the options menu here. Now select which features you would like on. The talker option will provide audio description of the service mode menus. The screen color invert feature will provide color contrast screens.
Service main menu. Options. Options. Service main menu. Set price. Tap again to open. Set price. Select all. Clear all. Selected item 10. Price. Enter price. SH.01. SH.10. 0.00. Save and price info, please wait. Price saved. Service main menu.
For more assistance, contact VendNet Technical Support at 1-800-833-4411 or email service@vendnetusa.com.